Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I am super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker, a game-changing wireless home speaker that promises to revolutionize the way we experience sound at home. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this speaker is sure to impress even the most discerning audiophiles. So, let's dive right in and see what makes it so special. First off, the room-filling performance of the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker is absolutely breathtaking. This speaker is designed to deliver incredibly immersive, deep, and clear sound in any and every room, making it the perfect addition to your home entertainment system. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or just want to create a relaxing atmosphere, this speaker has got you covered. I was blown away by the sheer quality of the sound, which is rich, detailed, and perfectly balanced. The speaker's ability to fill a room with sound is truly impressive, and I found myself getting completely lost in the music and forgetting about everything else. Another feature that really stood out to me is the adjustable EQ, which allows you to match the sound to the moment with just a few taps on your phone or with voice commands. This is a total game changer, as it enables you to quickly tailor your audio for different genres or moods, from crisp highs and clear vocals to rich, full-bodied bass. I love being able to customize the sound to suit my mood and the type of music I was listening to, and I found that it really enhanced my overall listening experience. The Bose app is also incredibly intuitive and easy to use, making it a breeze to adjust the EQ settings and explore different sound profiles. The versatile setup options of the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker are also worth mentioning. This speaker is designed to be super flexible, so you can use one wireless speaker to fill a room with sound, pair two for stereo, or connect multiple speakers throughout your home for seamless multi-room listening. I was impressed by how easy it was to set up and connect the speaker to my Wi-Fi network, and I love being able to move it around the house to different rooms and have it automatically adjust to the new space. The compact design of the speaker is also a major plus, as it fits easily into any room and doesn't take up too much space. In terms of control, the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker offers a range of options that make it easy to play, pause, and personalize your sound from anywhere in the home. You can use the touch controls on the speaker itself, the Bose app, or voice commands to adjust the volume, skip tracks, and more. I also love the fact that the speaker comes with voice control with the all-new Alexa Plus, which allows you to control your entertainment, manage your smart home, and access a ton of helpful services with just your voice. This is a total game changer, as it enables you to do everything from playing music and setting reminders to controlling your lights and thermostat, all with just a few voice commands. In conclusion, the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker is an absolute powerhouse of a speaker that is sure to take your home entertainment system to the next level. With its incredible room-filling performance, adjustable EQ, versatile setup options, and easy control features, this speaker has everything you need to create an immersive and engaging listening experience. Whether you're a music lover, a movie buff, or just someone who loves to relax and unwind, this speaker is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Bose new Lifestyle Ultra speaker today and discover a whole new world of sound. Trust me, you won't regret it.